great things. Today we will be putting on some new wheels for one of my guys, Joe, also known as Notorious Evo X. So he's getting new wheels. We're probably going to be following the build around. We're going to put on coilovers, but in this video, for now, we're going to be doing the wheels. We're also going to be doing the reflector light install, so I'll show you guys how to do that and how I personally routed it. There's plenty of other ways to do it, but it's definitely up to the person and how they do it. So today I decided to take the Lancer around. I haven't really been driving it. There should be things that we have to do to this car. As far as we got to put in brakes, we got to do exhaust, manifold gasket. So definitely things that are going to be put out. Videos are going to be cranked out faster and faster now because of oh sorry, there's a cop over there and hopefully he doesn't pull me over, and if he does, oh well.
All suspects are innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.
But video's going to be cranked out a lot faster. There's a whole lot more content we're going to be doing, so yeah, I mean, another beautiful morning in the Lancer automatic. Sorry, Mom. Oh baby, straight from China. Oh no, Japan. Where Godzilla was born. Let's see what we got here, baby. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my god, that's too much for you guys. You can see here it says caution. May increase horsepower. Here's pairs, baby. Big meat going on this. 265, 35 Nittos. Not sure which ones they are. Let me look ahead. Well, NT555 something probably are. So you guys just saw what was the wheels of Joe go on. Now what we're gonna do is the coilovers, and with the coilovers, what I usually like to do, well now that I learned about them, is taking them apart and putting anti-seize on them. You know, if you drive in the rain or you happen to drive in the snow one day, you have anti-seize on there, and it's not that like big of a deal if you need to adjust or anything like that. Inside the box you'd probably find this little extension for your rear shocks, the claw thingies to adjust, and some chips. Alright. What we want to do is grab some of that good coilover anti-seize stuff, put it all up in here, like that. And then go on this other one right here and do it in there. What up, brother? What's up? What's up? Essentially what it is one bolt at the top, which is your camber bolt, the other bolt at the bottom, just holding down the strut. You can take off these two bolts, not really necessary because the most important one to take off is the one in the rear, and then your three on top that you'll get from on top. Besides that, that's basically it, but make sure you're holding down or up your control arm so that the axle doesn't pop off from its place. For the rear, you got 2 on top of the strut and 1 back in here. So for setting up your spring, right, essentially what you have to do is loosen this, bring it out, loosen this so that your spring is nice and loose, and you hand tighten the top one. Once you hand tighten the top one real good, you bring this back up and you move the top one with your spanner wrench, and when you're moving it up, just get the length of that in between both of them, and once you get a length of that gap, go ahead and tighten them up.
Tight, 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 yeah!
But when you're doing the struts, we didn't tighten these all the way. So when your wheels are kissing the ground, you want to go ahead and tighten these up so that it gives it a natural camber. And that's front and rear. So the rear bolts are back here, and as you can see, they're loose too. So once again, same thing. We're way off, but that's fine because I set it an inch away from OEM level, and the rear is looking pretty close to what I want it to. I usually use the finger method, so right now you can see we're at 2 fingers. I'm just gonna drop it like half a finger on the coilover, and then in the front, finger method again. It's about 4 fingers, so I'm gonna use 3.5. And using the finger method, about 3 fingers. I usually go half than what the wheel gap was. So go ahead and bring this lock nut up, and then take this and lower it down to where the lock nut ends up locked up. Locked up, they won't let me out. Just finished the alignment. Gonna have him drive off for a little and make sure that the alignment's good, the steering wheel is good, so we'll see how it goes. Oh, shit! Oh, bro!